Alright guys, it is a beautiful Friday morning here in Angeles City, Philippines. I'm up here today. We're getting some new bling done. New bling done for Mad Max. Where am I at right now? I am on MacArthur Highway. Right down there is the circle down by Astro Park. I'm heading this way towards Daul. Right across the road there is the Yamaha dealer where I bought my NMax. All right, what am I doing up here? I'm up here right now, this tire place, right across the street from the Yamaha dealer. What am I doing here? What am I doing up here at the tire dealer? Guys, I got new rims and I got new tires to put on Mad Max. Why am I here? A lot of times when you go to places and change out tires here and put on new rims, they use the old hammer. Their tool of choice is a hammer and a screwdriver, right? No. They scratch the hell out of everything. So I'm up here because they have a real tire changer going on here. What's the name of the store? RJMS. RJMS.
Battery and Tire Shop.
Battery and Tire Shop. But you guys see they have a real machine. No hammers here. No screwdrivers here. So that's what I'm up here doing. I will get that done. What'd she tell me? Price-wise, to change them out and everything, 200 pesos each to mount the new tires on the new rims. $4, something like that. 200 pesos each. Yes, like around $4, give or take, per tire. I'm looking at $10, guys. $10 to change these tires or to put these tires on the new rim. Where else can you get that done, right? Where else? So I'll give you a sneak peek. No, I won't give you a sneak peek. Once it's done, I'll show you the final product. All right, my total bill. You guys ready for this? This is just the crazy price. 540 pesos. That included tire mounting, tire stem, right?
Balancing.
There's no balancing on motorcycle tire, right? Well, you told me there's no balance on motorcycle. No. But the stem, right? The little tire stem?
Yeah.
Right. 540 pesos. That's a little over 10 US dollars. All right. It'll break your wallet here, guys. Where else can you get something like this done at this price? But 540.
540 is already cheap.
Yeah. Kuya says very cheap.
5 tires will cost 20,000.
20,000.
20,000.
That's for 4 tires on an automobile.
This one.
Yeah. but still like 20,000 for his tire. But still, that's $400. That's still a good deal. So, all right, let me pay this fine woman here. And, We will get out of here. She's breaking my wallet. All right, I am at Top Gear here in Angeles City, Philippines. They are changing out my tires. Or they're changing out. They're putting my new rims and new tires on today. Guys, this is, if you have an NMax, you're anywhere around this area, guys, to me, and I've been to a lot of places, this Top Gear place here is by far the best when it comes to working on these Yamahas. Remember, if you do have a Yamaha that's under warranty, keep taking it back to Yamaha. But when your warranty runs out and you have issues or whatever, Top Gear right here. These guys are the best. Right there's the Flamingo Hotel. All right, straight up there's MacArthur Highway. Here's Top Gear. Trust me, these guys know what they're doing. I've sent many people up here and they've always left happy. Get what you pay for sometimes. Remember, everybody knows how to fix something. You got to find the guy that really knows how to fix something here. When I get over there, I'll show you the new rims. Let me show you the old rims. Let me show you why. If I can squeak through here somewhere. Let me show you why, tell you why I changed out my rims and tires. The tires I had were the original from the factory, 2019. But here they are, right? Here are the old tires, the old rims. As you can see, the chrome, or the gold flake, it started peeling away. And it just looks ugly. That's the front one. The rear one didn't do it, but the front one did. So I'm like, nah, this is ugly. Those are the original tires. Are they the best tires? I don't know. I've been always told, listen, when you get a new bike, first thing you should do is change out the tires, because guys, those that ride know tires are very important. You got to have good tires, especially here when it rains, you know, dealing with the conditions of the road here. You always have to have some good tires. So guys, here they are. I'll put down below the rim and the tires that I bought. Oh wait, I'll put it right here. Right here, you guys will see the rims and the tires I just put on Mad Max. I do have to get a front bracket. Let me show you here. Here they are. Here are the new rims and new tires. There it is right there. I do have to get a bracket. I went from a 13-inch to a 14-inch tire. I couldn't find a 13-inch rim that I liked, so I upgraded to a larger tire. They do fit up underneath the back, the bike front and back. However, I have to get a bracket here to mount the front fender on. So he told me to Lazada shop it, you can get it. But boy, those are some beefy looking tires there. Beefy looking tires. I love the rims on it. Here's your rear end when they get around. Here's your rear end. Didn't have to do anything to modify the rear end tire. The rear end tire fit perfectly up underneath there. So yeah, I'm good to go. And hey guys, I'm gonna hop on the bike, do a little moto vlog. All right, let's start this little moto vlog, shall we? Hey, what tires feel okay? There's no wobbling. I don't feel any wobbling yet. I gotta get the bike up to speed and test it that way. Las Vegas, the showgirls of the Las Vegas. How can you really tell, right? I can really tell if it does feel like a softer ride, that's for sure, because these tires did feel a lot softer than the factory tires. Like I said, well, you gotta, oh, look out, I'm sorry. Oh, look out, oh, go ahead, buddy. All right, buddy. All right. Hey, buddy. You never know. You never know if they're gonna stop. You never know if they're gonna let you in. You don't know. You just, you know, you always anticipate. Here's my theory in driving, at least here. Always anticipate when you come up to an intersection that somebody's gonna pull out in front of you. It's a give and go thing here, right? I was saying about my tires, it does feel like a softer ride. You know, factory tires tend to be, let me get around him quick here. Factory tires tend to be a little bit on the hard side, but boy, these tires got some meat. They've got some meat on them. They're a beefier tire. Like I said, when you're riding here and rainy season comes along, you need a good quality tire. Some of the factory tires they put on, they're just slippery. They're slick in the rain. So yeah, I think I did right by these. They came highly recommended. A buddy of mine, he bought them. He had an NMax, same year as mine and everything. He bought them and he's like best. He goes, he swore by them. Good ride, never had. And this guy rides his motorbike all the time. All the time he rides it, and I'm talking every day. Rain or shine, the man's on it. And he said he loves them. Loves them. Never had a slippage problem. Never skidded out. Never had an issue with, hydroplaning on the water. Of course, you don't fly through big old water puddles, You don't even do that in a car. But he swore by him, so I think I did a good deed. We're going to turn around here. Let me do a turn right here at Albacchio's. All right. The easiest way to get around the city here, or pretty much any city, have a bike, get a motorbike. You'll cut your time in half if there's traffic. There's not too much traffic today. I had a jeepney strike. People are still out. Jeepneys are still out. They're still roaming around. They're still transporting people. It wasn't like the whole area was shut down and there was no transportation. There was plenty of jeepneys running around all week. Why they canceled school is beyond me. The powers that be, I guess. Condotel. I watch this Condotel van in front of me. Let me see where they're going to go. Well, I figured, they're going to stop at one of the clubs here. Ace Bar or SS Bar, Korean owned. I guarantee a Condotel, they're dropping the Korean customers off. All right, we're going to shoot down everybody's street. And if I go fast enough, I won't get it not suitable. All right, because you couldn't see anything. Speed bump right here. Yeah. Yep. All right. We're going to fly down here. So if I don't, it'll be not suitable. Oop. I'll turn around. Somebody waved me over. How's ya, buddy? And when I'm walking out in front of me. Hey guys, see it. Same old, right? Same old. Look out. All right. Objects, what's that saying? Objects on your screen are further than they appear. As people say, yeah, it looks like you're so close to everything. Plenty of room. I would say, let me just turn around down here. Not but a trike, guys. We'll turn right here. See if I can do it. I didn't know if anybody was behind me. There we go. And back up. Oh, look out. No, they are not closer than they appear. They are very in front of us. Not suitable. You had girls on your video. Not suitable. Oh, go ahead. right, I am back from Mad Max's bath. Guys, I haven't seen it looking this clean and this good in a long time. Check it out. He is looking good, right? Here's the new tires with the new rims. As you can see, the front fender is not on. I need to buy a mounting bracket that goes here, here, and on the other side that'll lift the fender up so I can get it up underneath there. But to me, I don't know, that's kind of cool looking, but now you need a front fender. Get all that dirt and get caught in the rain, that'll all wash up underneath there. Boy, she is looking good. Gators eyewear. Guys, if you're watching from Gators, I'd be more than happy to sample your products for free. Just send me an email. But boy, like I said, it hadn't looked this good in a long time. All cleaned up. Back in the back is the back tire and back ring. Luggage rack here. Tell you what though, cats, you always have to be aware of cats. There's a little bit of cat prints right there from the nails. I know who that is. Mama Earl, so I can't get mad. Let me come around this side. Yeah, check it out. Check it out. I took off the air filter. I had a modified air filter on there. Talking to the mechanic, he said, you don't want that. It gums up the inside of your carburetor. And guys, it did. He pulled off the original carburetor and cleaned it all up, and it was really, really bad. So I put the original air cleaner back on, and actually it feels like I have more power. But there it is. Here's what I like about the rims. All right, look, everything's black and gold, right? Black and gold. Now I got the black rims, put the gold knobs in there. That's what I like. So there it is, guys. Here's Mad Max's pretty new makeover, I guess you could say. And now you tell me, is that more manly to ride here? I'm not talking like manly as far as a Harley Davidson, because you can't beat a Harley Davidson for being manly on a road, right? But is that more manlier to ride than say the Walmart scooter? Anyways, guys, I'm gonna wrap this one up, and I'll give you another look real quick. There it is, baby, Mad Max. Gonna start riding her more. So we'll talk to you guys later.